In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Ads customer ID with the latest updates for 2025. Whether you're new to Google Ads or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through every step, ensuring that you can quickly and easily locate your customer ID for better management of your online advertising campaigns. First, we're going to start by visiting the Google Ads homepage. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Ads, which is ads.google.com. If you're not already familiar, this is the main hub where all your Google Ads activities are centered. Once you're on the site, you'll see a vibrant layout encouraging you to connect with more customers and boost your sales through online advertising. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll notice the Sign In button. Go ahead and click that. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so here. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. This step is vital because accessing your account is necessary for uncovering your customer ID. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home interface. This dashboard is your primary control panel, giving you an overview of all marketing activities and ad campaigns running under your account. From here, you'll need to look for the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Locate the admin option in this side navigation menu. Clicking admin takes you into the settings area of your account, where you have various options to manage and configure your Google Ads experience. In the admin section, scan through the options and click on Preferences. This is where things get specific. Preferences is designed as a personalized settings segment, allowing you to tailor and refine your account experience by adjusting numerous settings according to your needs. Now, within the Preferences tab, direct your attention to the area labeled Preferences For. By clicking this, you'll access the section where your Google Ads customer ID resides. Remember, the customer ID is not only a unique identifier, but also crucial when communicating with Google support or managing multiple accounts in a professional setting. Once you find yourself in the Preferences for area, the customer ID should be displayed prominently. This ID is a series of numbers formatted in a 9-digit sequence, often separated by dashes for better readability. Make a note of this number, keep it in a secure place, and remember never to share it unnecessarily. And there you have it, you've successfully located your Google Ads customer ID. This process is straightforward but immensely valuable for managing your advertising strategies effectively. Be sure to revisit this guide if you need a refresher, and keep exploring the functionalities of Google Ads, as there's always something new to learn. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy advertising.